neurobiological mechanisms that make your reality possible. When you combine clear intention with an elevated emotion, your brain loves it. It starts to create new neural pathways. And as Dr. Joe Dispenza shares, your brain structure, genetic expression, and electromagnetic fields actually implement your desired reality at the biological level. How exciting is that? This proves that it isn't just metaphysical philosophy that we're talking about here. It is practical neuroscience when we are talking about manifestation and how you can shift your life. This is where it gets really exciting. Your brain continues to rewire itself based on your thoughts, your emotions, and your experiences. That's neuroplasticity. When you repeatedly think new thoughts and have them paired with those elevated emotions, you are building new neural pathways that will support your new identity, and you will weaken the previous networks in your brain that maintained the old previous limitations. Your brain doesn't change based on what you experience. It changes based on what you imagine experiencing. And that is provided that you give it the right emotional states. Do you hear the continual thread here in manifesting your new desired life? It is first thinking new thoughts, and then secondly, pairing that with elevated emotions that match your desired state. That's what makes the brain move out of old recurring loops into that new desire, shifting your identity to what you do desire. That's exciting because that feels really doable. That feels really accessible when some of the other conversations feel like, oh my gosh, this metaphysical stuff is like way too much for me. I have nothing to hang on to. This is simple. 2 steps, 2 things. I think new thoughts that are aligned with where I desire to go, and I partner it with elevated emotions to shift me, and my brain is happier, and I'm happier, and the elevated feelings are there. That's a feel-good concoction for the brain. How exciting. Your only assignment today is visualize your ideal life in such vivid detail that you can feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude for it. And then your brain is going to get busy making that happen. Your brain will begin to build the new neural pathways for that to be made manifest in your life experience. Dr. Joe Dispenza also shares in his valuable work that gratitude, joy, love, and inspiration carry specific electromagnetic frequencies that alter your genetic expression. And when you maintain these states consistently, you program your DNA to support health, creativity, and expanded capabilities. Our emotions are the bridge to creating the life that we desire. So when we take our consciousness, selecting clear, intentional states of being, and we fill them full to overflowing with states of gratitude, joy, inspiration, and love, then we are well on our way to creating the life that we truly do desire, and it can happen today. If you enjoyed this quick discussion about neuroplasticity, the neural pathways in your brain and how they're influenced positively by your emotional states, make sure you like and subscribe. And join me again for another episode of In the Bach of My Mind. And if you'd like to take it one step further and you're ready to influence your life positively and you want to go deep, check out my programs at nataschabach.com.